Okay, this is how you replace the headlights and the fog lamps on a 2000 Cadillac Escalade, same as a 99. Tahoe, Yukon, be similar. First thing you have to do is you have to remove the nose piece. That's the grill and the surround. And it's right here. There are two screws, one here and one here, and they have to come out. Two more screws right here underneath the headlight, and then several along the top. To get to the bottom ones, you remove the turn signals. These are just held in with two screws on the side. Take the two screws out and it just swings right out. You unhook the lights and it'll lift right out when you get all the screws. Tools you need: 7mm socket. It doesn't have to be a deep well, that's just what I had. A baggie, put your bolts in, better than dropping them and chasing them all over the driveway. And a 13mm ratcheting wrench. This is how you take the fog lamps out. It looks like you can get them from inside the wheel well. You can't. But there's enough room down here to get to them from above. Right there. And there's plenty of room in there, even for my big old fat arms. Once you swap them out, it's maybe a 20 or 30 minute job to change the fog lamps. Last winter was not kind to my lamps. Big old snow drift, and well, that was it. So basically, that's what you need. Comes right out. I've already replaced the headlights a while back, but they come out real easy that way too. There's just one bolt, two bolts, about 3 or 4 bolts here, 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 and I'm not sure if there's another one up underneath. Yeah, one right there. So 4 bolts. Each headlight comes out, unplug it, and then they go. So you can upgrade your headlights on a 1999 2000 Escalade, no problem at all. It'll probably take me 20 minutes to get this all back together.